Fund 2 Advanced Manufacturing Hydraulics gives users hands-on education with mechanical pumps, power sources, actuators, control valves, accessories, schematic drawings, and practice with circuit building. In this video, we will show you how to navigate through the application as well as assess your proficiency and understanding of hydraulic systems. When you launch Fund 2 Advanced Manufacturing Hydraulics, you will see the major systems and components you can explore and learn about. Within the interface, you can use tools like Z-View to present the experience to others by selecting it here on the top left of the screen. You can also change your preferred language selection here. Look for this guide of key techniques. And when finished, the application will close here. Let's start by selecting a power unit such as the external gear found here. A new window will open and exploration can begin. Pick up the model using the center button of your stylus. In the upper right corner, notice the text box containing further explanations, strengths, applications, and more detailed information about each component. Down below, you can select working principles and watch the fluid flow with animation through the transparent section of the pump. By selecting the exploded view, you will see an in-depth glance of the individual sectional parts. Each part can be selected, rotated, and further explored in detail. The Move Model option allows you to move the entire exploded view for further exploration. Let's take a look at the Actuators category and the Section Viewing option for the hydraulic gear motor. Sectioning provides students with a view of the interior cross-sectional area of the component. Try this in other categories as well. When exploring the Control Valves model, the Hide feature removes the exterior parts from the model. This will reveal the interior components of the valves to gain a greater understanding of the function and assembly of the valve. Accessories including gauges, filters, condensers, and pipe connectors may also be explored. Perhaps the most exciting feature of this application is the circuit building section. The circuit building section allows you to view a schematic drawing of a hydraulic system. Once you have an understanding of the power units, actuators, control valves, and accessories by exploring the 3D models, you can now complete the task of building the system described in the schematic drawing. Components can be assembled using a drop and drag technique, and you can check your work by watching the fluid flow throughout the system. Fund 2 Advanced Manufacturing Hydraulics gives you a functional understanding of how major hydraulic systems work through hands-on, interactive, self-directed learning. Building hydraulic systems with the understanding of the component function and schematic drawings, you can apply your knowledge and prove proficiency.